Okay, this is a COVEL model H10 hydraulic surface grinder. It's a 2-axis surface grinder, and it's a 618 capacity. This is a 618 permanent magnetic chuck. It takes a standard surface grinding wheel with a 1 1/4 inch bore, probably 7-inch maximum diameter. I have the machine running right now, doing both the cross feed and the table. So we have here the saddle moving in and out, and the table going back and forth. Now the hydraulic unit for this machine is mounted in the base. The machine is currently wired for 220 volts. So these are the dogs to set the table, traverse distance, and around the side here are the 2 dogs that you would adjust to set the cross feed or the saddle travel. The hand wheel dial here is calibrated in thousandths with a 1/10 vernier on the pointer or indicator. The controls of the machine are fairly simple. You have a control for the cross feed and table, which is how I have it set right now. I could switch this off and have only the table moving, or I could use this rapid cross slide in and out feature that it has. It just allows the saddle to move up to the stops. Now this switch that's mounted here allows me to reverse this saddle anytime I want. All right, so controls of the machine are fairly simple. Just the on and off for your pump and on and off for the spindle. Around the side here, you see the mounting of the Accurite scales. This has a nice Accurite DRO. You'll also see the Bijur lubrication pump. Over here on your vertical axis, we can see how the scale was mounted and the bracket for the digital readout. Pretty nice job. Going around the back of the grinder, where I have my power connected, is a couple of magnetic relays that perform the circuit and take your incoming voltage and give you a 110 outlet for your DRO or for whatever else, plus another outlet, a special outlet on the right for a coolant system if the machine was equipped with one. Behind this cover is the spindle. It's a direct drive spindle. It's a 1 horsepower motor. Coming around this side, on the bottom here, you see a couple of on and off switches that would turn on and off the box over here for the coolant if you had adapted one. And then another special feature on this grinder is this knob on the end of the table. If for whatever reason you wanted to grind with this machine by hand, you could disconnect the end of the cylinder rod and let it travel inside and then just shut the machine off. And if you were going to use the hand wheel, it's a lot easier to move the table than moving the hydraulic piston back and forth at the same time. So that's the idea for that. So this is a really nice grinder. This is a COVEL. This is made in America. This is cast iron. This is a great machine. Really fantastic. It's here. It's at Machinery Values. Thank you very much.